welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prep your skin before makeup. So first, I'm going in with your face wipe. So cleaning your face, clean it very well. So after that, I'm going in with my face serum. This one is Snail face serum. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. And use my brush to spread it out on my face. Allow it to sit in. So after it has sitting for a while, I'm now going to apply my face moisturizer. I'm going to apply this all over my face as well, and use my brush to spread it out. So after moisturizer, I'm going with my primer, very important. So I'm applying this only on my T-zone area, not under the eye. So guys, that is a no-no. So avoid cakey. I just have to apply this on your T-zone area like so. Don't allow the primer to get under your eye. So after primer, I'm going in with my Sweat Lock. So this is a face brush, so I'm going to apply it, just damp it on it, then apply it around my T-zone area because that is where I sweat. And so gently dab it on it. Dab, 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 dab. I sweat around here, so very good. So after this, after that, I'm going to go in with my fixing spray and glow spray because I want my face to give me this kind of glowish look. So I'm going to apply now all over my face and then go in with my fixing spray as well. And allow it to sit in very well. Guys, we are done. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please like, share and comment for more videos. Thank you. Bye.